Today, I'm going to walk through the current state of the market for most manufacturers and how they're marketing their product online. I want to talk about the pain that it's driving, and I'm going to show the old way, and then I'm going to show you this new way, which is basically ChatGPT for your product catalog. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start with the old world. You can scroll, engage with various content, but it's on you, the end customer, or even the pro or dealer, to find something you like. In some cases, you can use filters. There's just so many options. Do you want a Dutch style or divided light or decorative glass or mission or modern? There's a lot of configuration here, and it gets really confusing and overwhelming for people fast. So I want to talk about the new way. It's no longer about uploading as much as you can to the website. It's about having a guided selling experience everywhere. Let's take this store experience like we talked about and totally reimagine it. And first and foremost, notice, yes, there's products here, but instead of filters or those sorts of things, tell me about, hey, what room is this going in? Are we talking about an interior door, an entry door, a porch door? Tell me about the home style here. So I can jump in, I have a Craftsman bungalow, and upon clicking, I'm getting recommendations. It guides me to doors that might be good. I can engage, I can like these things. And again, it's collecting this intent for me. I could also say, hey, I have a Chicago bungalow and I'm looking for a secure solution. So I'm using natural language. The key here is let the user engage however they want to engage. If they wanted to, they could have uploaded a spec sheet there, or they also could have said yellow door. Let them engage at their level. So again, I'm seeing doors. I'm seeing here a recommendation about why these are right doors. So this is actually acting like one of your salespeople. Someone can get pretty deep into your catalog. And again, instead of engaging with 60 attributes, if you're a dealer or a pro, hey, I want to get alignment with my customer. Another great way to do this is upload a picture of your home. And from there, we can do a whole lot. So let me find my home. There we go. So it's understanding the style, the aesthetic, the current state of the door. It's understanding the likely value of my home. If that had been a $2 million mansion, it would have been looking towards the 400 series because that's a more premium set of doors. All of these things should be happening naturally as if a salesperson is doing it. So now, as this end user or as an architect or a designer or a pro, I've gone from a process that typically takes hours, days, or weeks to find the right door, and in a minute or two, I've found doors recommended based on my words, my style, my budget. I've uploaded my home and I'm getting recommendations about why these doors are right. And now I can see those doors on my home. And these are real manufacturable doors that are connected to their catalog. From here, I feel a lot more confident. I love this green one. This is about the future for manufacturing. Help everybody get to the right configuration of your product. They're locked in on your brand and ready to purchase. This is the future, like ChatGPT for your product catalog, and I think this is how marketers should be thinking.